Don't be so nice.
Don't be so nice, bro.
It's what you told me. Don't try so hard.
Don't you agree, Sig?
Ain't got a chance.
you don't agree,
I gotta go.
You know what I'm saying? Caking and bacon. It's okay, man. We
Please,
get it.
please forgive me. That's what I wanted anyway.
Domo.
Baby. Hey, check it. Hey.
In the SRT, lit up the block, now your bitch lonely. Hit up a stripper, now she on me. I'm a rich nigga, fuck a J.O.B.
Bitch, I broke the curfew, no police. Just spent 100,000 on my sheets. I swear she look better when she on her knees. Pay my house in full, I don't take no lease.
Baby girl sipping on the Casamigos. Spanish bitches every night we do the legal. Fuck around and got her some Valentinos. She don't mess with you, but she fuck with me though.
Niggas that I roll with, my amigos. Bitch, I got the sauce, you gon' need Tostitos. She gon' keep me up like a cappuccino. And she came in with you, but she leaving with me though.
Take them bitches out the trap. Hit it from the back. Stupid ass niggas thought I couldn't rap. Thought you was your wife, nigga, please relax.
Ayy, throw that ass back on a nigga. I was getting stacks, but the bag got bigger. Ebony queen, and she thicker than a snicker. Photo on the gram, not signed, took the picture.
Flew out last week, just touched down. Ball like King James, give me the crown. We flipped the game upside down. Richest nigga in my town.
Country boy had to relocate. Bitch, I'm from Atlanta, that's a 678. Ask me if I'm good, everything feels great. Mixtape coming, man, I'm sorry for the wait.
Hop in the Benz, whipping in LA. I got some twins, bring him to the bay. Step in the club, get out my way. Call up your girl, we making a tape. $100 million on a coupe. Get me higher than Snoop.